What can I do with my property? The answers often lie in your zoning code, but navigating pages of complicated property data yourself could take hours, time you don't have. MapLink is an interactive online zoning map that provides quick answers to the most commonly asked questions about your property and what you can do with it. Start by clicking on the Find a Property button. Then search by address, parcel number, or owner name to find the property in which you are interested. When your preferred property is selected, the map updates. The parcel on the map is highlighted, and a box appears displaying principal zoning details, including overlay districts. Dig deeper by creating a parcel details page that displays additional information about the property. Expand the interactive zoning details to view how the district is described in your community's zoning code, the essential building requirements and setbacks, as well as all the allowable land uses for that parcel. Applicable forms and permits are linked here as well, so you can be ready for the next steps in your project. A great feature of MapLink is the ability to share information with colleagues or the community. Select the page link icon and an email is created that contains a link to the property's parcel details page. Thanks for spending a few moments with MapLink. See you next time.